Alaskan Chicken's Rap Remastered! Hold up, let's see who my opponent is. Wait, Nuts and Bolts? Final Sullivan, you give me Nuts and Bolts? Here we go now. Look at your buzzer on fire! Whoa, your round one was rushing super bad. Whoa, I'll take you down in this rap battle. Whoa. Trying to face me with 0 IQ. Oh wait, you don't have any because you're a robot. Got your intelligence from Sonic, but you're still super ironic. This battle's gonna be your legacy, You can't talk to me, you're a tin can, This remastered is better than your first solo, and everyone knows that you will beat me, bro. Sonic 1 is better than yours. Metal, can't you see you only won because of biased voters? Mewtwo had a better rap than you. Please go ahead and run away. Looks like you are gonna lose this match today. It's Star vs. Nuts and Bolts, Star vs. Nuts and Bolts. You won't win this battle, cause it's Star vs. Nuts and Bolts, Star vs. Nuts and Bolts. Drop that beat, It's Star vs. Nuts and Bolts, Star vs. Nuts and Bolts. Can't beat me in this battle. You can't win this, I'm about to win this, yeah!